Hello from Slovenia again. I have my spinner ready over there and canvas that I will pour over, and I will do a straight pour over this cup bottom, and I will just layer my paints. I will start with Bordeaux red because I want this to came out last. Just a second, I didn't do this okay, I think. And then Prussian phthalo blue, and my chickens, and the gold. This is Pebeo iridescent precious gold. And I will add this cobalt turquoise next. And greenish blue. And let's add a little more gold here, maybe. And this sky blue light. Didn't mean to do that. And primary yellow. And cadmium yellow hue. My cups are pretty full. Okay, so let's put my cups here, and I already poured some white around and on the edges, you will see, but not in the middle. So I will kind of try to find a middle, kind of, if I can. So somewhere about here, I think, how I want to have my paint to flow here, 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 and here. Yes. So let's start. done. Maybe I should turn on the lights. Yes, but not this one probably, that you will not have as much glare. See? Colors are pretty nice. I will just add white here. So I will spin this, and this white is just for helping this paint flow. So, and now my glove, and I will just dip it in the middle just to I didn't do a good job, so I will try again, because I don't like this red part here, you see. So I have to go a little more to this side. And this should be better. Okay. And now I just see that one line here bothers me a little bit. Just connect this a little bit. Okay, here we are. Okay, maybe a little of this, and now I will spin it. Still don't like this red part here. I don't know what will happen if I dip once more here. Still something bothers me. Better, I think. Have to fix this center because it has to be nice when I will spin it. Much better. I will just try to, no, if I will tilt this I will ruin the whole just wish that there will not be this white corner. But I'm afraid to tilt. Maybe try to tilt it just slowly, slowly. As you can see, I'm ruining my middle part, but maybe I can bring it back to the middle and spin it once more. No, probably ruined the whole thing with this one corner. Sorry guys, but this is the thing that bothers me, because sometimes I just want to have it perfect, and then I ruin the whole painting with correcting one corner that I don't like. I think that this a lot of us have this problem, but let's see if we can dip here once more. Okay, it will do, I think. So I'm just checking. My corners and sides and everything. No, this is not the right side, right color. I can do this later, I know. And probably I will, because otherwise this will take way too long, because I really want to add painting where I miss some, so just maybe a little more here. And the other parts I will fix later. Okie dokie. I'm just thinking what would happen if I spin just once more. Because of this middle part. It will level out a little more maybe. Because I have this kind of, it's all slippery now. A butterfly look in the middle, and I like it, so I will leave it now like it is. I will wipe my hands and take you for a close-up. I just love the sides. They are beautiful. Okay. My hands are just... See? A butterfly. I see a butterfly here, I don't know. And I love these lines that they are. It's like a butterfly in a kind of a magic world or something. The lines, I love those lines. See? I have to work on my edges a little more because they are not completely covered, but I don't know, I see a butterfly or a woman with a long skirt or something, a little weird woman, but see her skirt here falling into this golden blue water or something. I don't know, I really love this painting. Maybe this part still bothers me when I tilted it. You see how you can ruin the pattern totally. But I will not touch it anymore because otherwise I really think that I will ruin it totally. So this is it for today. A little struggle, but I'm really happy with the end result if I don't think about this wiggy line here. But this is just gorgeous, you see? Such a depth. So, I'm done. And see you on the next one. Bye.